Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about that how is your married life is going to be, how your uh, life partner would treated you, what would he do or she do. Yes, and there is two piles. One is the blue ring pile, and the other is peach colored earring pile. And this is pile one, this is pile two. Whichever you are attracted most, choose that pile. I am going towards my pile number one. Okay. So, those who choose the pile number one or the blue color ring, their reading is your married life is going to be like a fortune, like a faith, like a, it's so you're thinking it, you are so lucky to marry them. Yes, maybe they are from your past life, and maybe uh, I think that they are your from your past life, or you are going to be like a kid, like enjoying the time, and um, making adventures, and going for to visiting someone, or out on the road, long drive, something. And with this justice card, something is happening over here. Maybe you both are mirroring each other. You both are like each other. Your thinkings are matching, and you have chemistry between each other. Why is this justice card is over here? Yes, you are going to be enjoy, you are going to enjoy your marriage life. Okay. Sorry guys, my fan is blowing these cards. uh, where were I, where was I? Yes, okay. Yes, you're going to enjoy your life. You think that your wishes are becoming true, and it's like very lightly and very happy. And there's something that you don't expect over here. There is something that you don't expect over here. What is this about? Or maybe you are weeping over something, you are not happy with that. You are waiting for something, and that thing is not available for you at that time. Yes, maybe it's the delay in your baby birth or something. Or maybe, yes, this is the situation that you are not going to marry soon. It will take a time. That's why you are not happy. I think that reading is I take before maybe 2 day or 3 day past. I take this reading there, or maybe yesterday I had taken that. I had take that. Okay, whatever. Uh, you are not happy because this thing is not going to happen in near time. It will take a time, and what will balance. Maybe this is the card of temperance. You have to balance your emotions, uh, and cooperation and compromise. Okay, you have to compromise with them. They had something to do, some job to finish, and then they are free for you. They are available to you, and you have to they you दूसरा दूसरा भी दूसरा श्श्श, रुक जाओ 2 मिनट. Yes, balance. Okay, you have to cooperate with them. You have to compromise with them at this situation, because they are very good for you. They love you. They care for you. You have to be patient at this time. Then the angels will bring you a lot of happiness, a lot of luck. Okay, and then this two of something is blocking over here, because you are blocking, because they can't come towards you right now. That's the blockage, what I think. Yes, the blockage is the blockage. Two of swords is clearing by two of swords. And yes, you want this thing to happen soon, and this will inshallah happen soon, but you have to be patient at this time. Okay, four of fire, yes, you are definitely going to be marry them. This is the marriage situation, and you are definitely going to marry them. Look there, how beautiful this card is. How beautiful this card is. So there's shining something, there's something shining over there, and you are with this dragon. I think you are very wise, very brave. Yes, very ancient, like thinking thoughts or something. Okay, codependency. You have some kind of codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. These addictions are affecting your romantic life, or some you are maybe addicted. Maybe you are drinking so much, you are smoking, or some other kind of drugs, and maybe this thing is about this is about that you want them now, you are in love with them, like some kind of addiction. Yeah, something is hiding over here. Something, you are hiding something from them. I think that you are hiding something from them. You have something in your mind for them. Maybe this is your love or something else. Yes, you are coming out of that codependency slowly. Okay, not slowly, but you're coming out of it. And your codependency is definitely them. They are your codependency, they are your addiction. Uh, you are addicted to them. Let it go, let it go. You want something to happen right now, I think. Yes, let it go, move from here, and be like an empress. Feel free, feel protected, feel powerful. Okay, that will bring you this marriage thing uh, close to you, to happen soon. Okay, and with this sea storm, calm and chose, you don't know what is in this sea, because this is at this time is calm, and this is not good for you. And you have to be patient and look what is good for you. Something is going to end, something is going to die, and something new is going to be start. Yes, maybe someone is lying to you about something, about this situation, about this marriage life. गुम हो जाएगा बेटा, दे दो. जिन बाबे लगा दो. And yes, we are going to know what is in this situation. I want to pull some more cards for you. Okay, this thing is like you, this marriage is like you are having a flight. No, you are stuck in the tree. Okay, you are like you are something over here. I think this situation is you think that you had stuck in something. You are stuck over here, and you are can't going to be free again. But and this is also the situation that your marriage is like, maybe you are going towards the hill stations, and you are having a fun, and maybe you this okay, and you are having a good time with them. Okay, But something over here is you think that you are not free, you're stuck over here. Maybe they are too restricted towards you. They said that don't talk to any body, don't talk to a man or your family, or give me the more time, something like this. And you are doing something or you are doing a job and you can't give them that much time. Something is hiding over here. Okay. And elves were a creature of light. Elves is a creature of light. It proves that light did not equally good. It is light is good but not equally good, means every time good person is not good, or for particular ones every glistening thing is not gold. The person that is good for us might bad for others. Now you are going to know something more about them at that time. What are they doing, what are they hiding from you? There's something they are hiding from you. There is something, yes, there is something they are hiding from you. And you have at that time you are going to know that what is this, what this is. Dragon, ring dragon, cursed ring. Cursed rings always make the worst dragon, but it has a weak spot. Maybe they had something in their upbringing, or maybe um, they had something in their past that is not good with them. Someone treated them badly, someone abused them, something bad happened to them, and that's why they are now like that person. Okay. And but every person has some kind of weak point, and you have to know. When you know it, you can change them. Okay. All of us have weak spot, so the others can easily conquer us, find it, and have prize. Bad man's hurt can be won by food or through his belly. Okay. You can win them through them their belly or food. Okay. Or maybe they are there's some hiding uh, uh, some uh, some, what can I say, some bad memories, some memories that they are crying over, and you are going to know that, and you are going to heal them. I think that's the situation. Also the situation that is. Now this is your reading. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I am going towards my other reading. Bye. Those who have choose the second pile and the peach colored ring, earring, your reading is you are having very desires from them, and very hopes, very desires, and very dreams about them. Okay. And this is where this is going to, yes. And you maybe you are manifesting them, you are praying for them, you want them very badly, and you are manifesting for them, for their love, for their uh, uh, yes, for their love, for their passion. Okay. Something is there not good, someone is cutting someone from somewhere, or someone is going to lie with someone. Maybe they are lying about some other person, or some uh, about love, love situation. They are changing something over here, they are changing something. Yes. And the other card is emperor. You you are, or they are like an emperor, or maybe an Aries energy is over here with this card. Is this is a Aries energy. Empress and emperor, you are both like each other, you are mirroring each other, you are a pair. This connection is from the universe. And the emperor and empress, you can see that there is the emperor and empress, both they are over there. बस ठीक है. And they are like, if they are in this situation, who is the man? He is very organized, very logical, and very disciplined. They are like a leader. They are going to role you, or they are going to um, um, like they are like a leader. uh, they having all the responsibilities of home on their shoulders, and they are taking it. They are happy with this. And you are like an empress, you are also happy with it. And lavish abundance, give birth to your dreams. Maybe you are having a baby with them. And nurture yourself and others. Yes, you are going to take care either, take care of them. um, uh, uh, and you are taking care of their family, their home, engagement. This situation is going towards engagement. You are going to engage with them, or this situation is heightened. It's going towards the upper level. And some of you, maybe they or you, have to release your ex. Someone has someone else in their life, I can see that. This is also the situation, I think, that I had yesterday. And I think most of you are watching these readings um, continuously. Okay, release your ex. This time has come to clear your energy. Yes, you have to clear your energy from others. You have to think about only for yourself, only for your home, and for your husband, for your kids, and not the other one, not any other one. Okay. Or maybe you are going to sorrow, or going to be sad if you are still thinking about that. Okay, stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay. Be hopeful. And God will give you something good. Something good is coming towards you. And some situation over here is like a voodoo. It is not good for someone, maybe. Yes, they are very wise person, very clever, very keen, very much wise. Okay, they are doing something over here. They are doing something, and they are not telling you about it. They are changing something. They want something, and they are changing something. This change is from the universe. Yes, they want to be happy. Okay. And this bad thing is going to happen towards you by some person, maybe Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini. And this is going to attack over your happiness. Someone is bad is coming. If you don't release this ex will come back, and they will destroy your life. Okay, I think that present, your present is going to change your future. Okay, you have to leave them in this time, in this present time. Okay, this is good for you. If you don't leave them, they will destroy your life, your marriage life. Okay. Okay, next is Violet, Duchess, stifled, bored, and stuck. Someone is thinking that they are stifled, bored, and stuck. Yes, they are having very stressful time if they don't leave their ex over here. They are at that time, at your future, you are, or they are thinking that if you are, it is better if you leave them uh, in the past. So please let them go, leave them. This will affect your present, and also this will affect your future. This is the reading for you, what I have got. Please share, subscribe and like. I hope you like it, and with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye.